Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to change Shopify forms. Now, this one is a bit tricky because a lot of people struggle with Shopify. Besides it being a very easy to use and automated platform to make your website. After opening your Shopify store, tap on Customize. Now, I have opened the main page of my website. You can see the whole website template page here, which you can easily customize and put in your content. Now, tap on Homepage. Now, once you're in the home page, tap on Pages. Here, you will see the option of adding multiple pages. Now tap on Create a Template. Now select Based on Contact. Now choose the name for your template. I'm gonna name it Info. And there you go. You have created a contact form on your website successfully. And now you can take info from your customer. Easy, right? See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.